Wow.
If you don't have Tunnel Bear, you can download it on the Play Store. After you download it, log in using any Gmail account you have. Without further ado, let's continue. Next, open your Facebook app. Don't use the Facebook Lite, it will not work. It's done. You can delete the VPN app and download it again when you need it. Click the disconnect button. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell. Stay connected for more valuable content. See you in the next video.